Pages in SharePoint allow you to create engaging, informative content for your team or organization. What are pages and web parts? Pages are used to present information dynamically, and web parts are customizable blocks on a page like text, images, videos, news, document viewers, and etc. Welcome to this segment. We'll explore how pages and web parts help create engaging and interactive SharePoint experience. In SharePoint, pages allow you to present information dynamically, making it easy to share updates, documents, and important content with your team or organization. Web parts are building blocks that enhance these pages with text, images, videos, news, and much more. Let's create a new page. First, navigate to your SharePoint site. Click on New and select Page. Choose a layout that best fits your content and then give your page a title. Now let's add web parts to make the page more interactive. Click the plus Add Web Part button and choose from various options. This is the News web part. You can use it to share the latest announcements, team updates, or important notices. It helps keep everyone informed and aligned. Next, the Document Library web part. It displays files directly on your page, allowing team members to easily view or access important documents without navigating away. And here's the Quick Links web part. Use this to provide direct access to frequently used resources, pages, or external tools. It helps improve navigation and saves time for your users. Once you're happy with your page, click Publish to make it available to your team. With pages and web parts, you can enhance your SharePoint site's usability and keep your team engaged. In the next video, we'll explore how SharePoint security and governance help strengthen data protection. Stay tuned.